Beautiful little tree right here. We'll see some that don't look this nice. Large trees down back there in the neighborhood garden. You can see how high the water got. You can see the debris, a little bathtub ring, as it were, around the drain. I hear something over here in the distance they're going to check out. Okay, finally cleared Bernard down here. We're going to look down here on Springmont, about 100 feet away. Here's the home the person was in, just got out of the shower, and it's in very close proximity to it when a tree came down and took out not only the house, but right where that person was at in that bathroom. Just take a quick little look here around the back. The size of this tree. Holy smoke. Look at that. They just ripped everything up. This giant tree took the whole house. Right there. Right there's the bathroom. There's the toilet, the sink, and the shower right in there where the person was at. They're right in here next door, next room when it hit. They're still wrapped in their towel. Yep, right back. Really something. You can see on the front of the house they've already hung a condemned warning. Of course, here's the power line ripped right out of the house. It's really sad. There's still mail in the mailbox.